Hello friends, today we'll talk about the three best mutual funds that we have for the present volatile market. We have done a similar video in Hindi in the past and this time this is for the English audience. If you haven't watched our previous videos, do subscribe to the channel with the link at the below and then watch our other videos. Now coming to the three best mutual funds that we have, the first one on the list, Axis Blue Chip Fund. So Axis Blue Chip Fund is a very good equity fund. It has a very good past record. With the last 3 years performance record, if we look at it, it has given about a 13% return, which is very good looking at the current market situation. The second one on the list is Kotak Standard Multicap Fund. The Kotak Standard Multicap Fund comes under a multi-cap category. A multi-cap fund is one in which we invest in different kinds of companies ranging from small, mid and large cap companies. The past 5-year record for this company stands out around 11% annually, which is very good looking at the current market situation. This fund ranks under one of the best performing funds over a period of longer duration. The third fund in this category is the ICICI Equity and Debt Fund. So this fund comes under a balanced category or a hybrid category fund. Hybrid category funds are those which cover both the equity and the debt portion. So there is a 65% allocation in equity funds and 35% in the debt fund. So it also covers the volatility of the market by putting a portion of your portfolio in a debt fund. So it also acts like a high performing and an income generator fund. If you look at the past 5-year record for this fund, it has been somewhere close to 10%, which is very good looking at the balanced hybrid fund for the current market situation. The risk for this is also minimized a bit because of the debt allocation, so it falls under a medium category investment. Now coming to a bonus tip. So a bonus tip would be to invest your lump sum money in a liquid fund for the time being. When you invest in a liquid fund, you can expect to get about a 7 to 7.5% return annually on that. And you also have an option to do an STP, a systematic transfer plan, which we'll cover in our next upcoming videos. So tell me friends, how did you like the video? Do subscribe the channel. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, do that, listen to our content, like and comment, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.